can tell the mama bird and the daddy bird have a selected path that they want these babies to take as they venture out into the world. We have a wood pile around the corner, and that's where the birds are being led. A safe haven. Aw, that little baby on that ledge. So brave. I think there are 5 of them. Look at that. I knew that the parent birds had been working really hard these last couple of days, feeding all day long. I've lost track how many of them have come out of that umbrella, but I think there are 5 babies. Looks like there may be just 1 more, maybe 2. There it goes. It's getting braver and braver. Yeah, there's 2 of them left, trying to be brave together. There goes 1. There goes the other one. Looks like they might be best little buddies. Sticking together. Can't dare let Max go outside until I know these little birds are well on their way. Well, one of them jumped out into the yard. Don't know if I can pick it up this distance or not. I'll go ahead and turn it off. Maybe try to go out and take some still pictures.